Hey there, Internet. I don't know if you ever run into this issue where you need to replace a hand truck or a dolly wheel. This one has seen better days. It's falling apart. And there's a locking washer that we have to contend with. One on both sides. So I stopped by Harbor Freight and picked up 2 wheels for $10 each. And what the tools you'll need are one of these, WD-40, or I'm using Blaster Multi-maxx, but you could use WD-40. A socket. The socket helps with hammering down when it's time to put the washer back. And then your choice of hammers. Now I picked an array here, but I'm going to be using one of them. So let's get going. First I'm going to put it to the side. Okay. And then we're going to attack this lock washer right here. Spray it with some of this. I'm going to use this tool right here, this grip, to grab it and try to counter clockwise spin it off. Let's see what happens. Some trial and error, I was able to get locked into place. Took me a while to adjust the end of this to get it to, to open up enough so I could lock. Now I'm just going to turn this so that it could unscrew up. Can't do this and hold the phone, so let me see. Alright. It's moving. It's going up, which is a good sign. I'm going to keep working it till I move the washer up. Just to show you, it is moving up. I just have to keep turning it. There you go. There's that. So we're adding the new one. Should be as simple as just putting it in there. It's basically the same type of wheel. Yep. So we'll move that in there. And then in order to put the washer in, I'm going to use this nut, slug nut, and a hammer. I'm going to pressure it into place. Just like that. See if I can do it one-handed. See? Bingo is her name out. There you go. So the next side is going to be about the same. Just go flip it around. And I guess I could keep this tire because it's still good, but I already bought two, and I'm just going to remove it just for the sake of removing it. I'm going to get this vise grip over it. We spray it first. And then I'm going to see if we get a grip of it. There you go. That's tight. I got it on there. I'm just counterclockwise turning. Until it comes off. Just keeps moving up as I do that. There you go. Second wheel. I'm going to use this one as a spare. Grab the new one. Put that in place. Get the pressure washer. Flip it around. Like that. Add the lug nut. Balance the phone in my hand. Easier if I had two hands, but I just wanted to demo this. Look at that, I did that on one. That's not going anywhere. All right. There you go, we're ready to go. That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Appreciate it.